Namaste. This is Kadali of Class 1 of Nallamalaredi Foundation School, and this is our school. Our climate education class.
Gases, that is carbon dioxide, methane, and oxygen, hydrogen. These are the gases.
What have we been learning lately in the climate education class?
We are learning about how carbon emissions impact climate change and how we need to limit the carbon emissions.
How plastics are very hard to recycle and 90% of plastics end in landfills or the ocean. So that's the reason why we are not using plastic water bottles and lunch boxes in the school.
And we're also learning how microplastics impact our life.
Best out of waste.
Our school has been teaching us the importance of planting trees and maintaining our forests.
This is our school gardening class.
Our school holds gardening class every week, and we plant saplings.
We enjoy our gardening class.
Every drop of rain from every corner of the school comes here and accumulates in this rainwater harvesting pit, and it increases the groundwater levels.
This is how we segregate our waste.
Material from this green bin can be changed into manure.
These earthworms may turn waste materials into manure.
Here, the coconut husk along with the waste is laid on this cement bed. Hence, the earthworms convert this waste into manure.
At the last, this waste material is converted into this manure. Name.
Nmrfs.